Good morning, ma'am. I have been assigned to speak on the BBC's adaptation of the novel Tess of the D'Urbervilles by Thomas Hardy. The BBC adaptation has been directed by David Blair. Gemma Arterton plays the role of Tess, Hans Matheson plays the role of Alec, and Eddie Redmayne plays the role of Angel Clare. In BBC adaptation, David Blair has focused on Thomas Hardy's 1891 edition of the novel, where it had a subtitle called A Pure Woman Faithfully Presented. However, the subtitle at that point created a huge controversy. It is because if we analyze the character of Tess from the point of view of a Victorian audience, she is not at all a pure woman. Her sexuality gets violated even before her marriage. However, David Blair in his adaptation defends Tess's purity and sympathizes her. Blair in his adaptation takes a particular stand and goes on to justify it. David Blair in his adaptation, especially in his seduction scene, he clearly says that whatever happens between Alec and Tess is not just mere seduction, but it is clearly rape. There was no consent given by Tess to Alec. But as the readers in the book, we can see that Hardy's seduction scene is the most ambiguous one. Thomas Hardy remains very vague about exactly what happens in that seduction scene, and Hardy fails to describe the reaction of Tess in the seduction scene. But in David Blair's adaptation, the audiences are able to see all the reactions and all the emotions that Tess was undergoing right at that moment. Tess screams, she cries, and as soon as she realizes that her sexuality has been violated, she immediately leaves Tantridge. David Blair, through his adaptation, has tried to portray that even though Tess's sexuality has been violated and she is not pure in the conventional sense, but Tess is pure in her actions, in her intentions, and in her morality. In the novel, Tess commits a crime, that is, she ends up murdering Alec. However, in David Blair's adaptation, Tess is guilty of manslaughter. In the novel, it is portrayed that when Angel visits Tess, at first she seems very upset and then she turns hysterical. Similar things happen in Blair's adaptation too. However, Blair does not portray the murder scene in his adaptation, but Blair shows Tess's hysteria and her struggle point towards manslaughter. Blair, by calling the act of Tess not as a murder but as a manslaughter, and in this way Blair defends Tess's purity and her innocence. Even Hardy in his novel describes Tess as a bird caught in a trap. By using this metaphor, Hardy tries to defend his heroine's actions. David Blair in his adaptation has shown a small scene where it is seen that Tess is reciting a poem. The poem is Ozymandias by Shelley, and that scene can be called as an ironic foreshadowing of the impending doom that Tess was going to meet. At the end of the novel, Tess meets her tragic end, she becomes the victim of her own fate, and Thomas Hardy and David Blair portrays the tragic predicament of Tess in their own respective works.